Okay, I draw your attention behind me. This is a Z Rex multi-tool brought to us by Leatherman. It has a ring if you feel you want to put your finger there. If you don't have to, you don't have to. If you don't want to, you don't have to. It has a center punch. It has a hex wrench for any bit that fits that size. The blade itself has an oxygen tank wrench for paramedics or firemen to deliver oxygen, and has a belt cutter / pan cutter, and the belt is completely reversible. See that? See that? I can take the nuts out, the screws out, reverse it. Now, this is primarily if you're trapped in your car and your car is going underwater, or there's a fire in the car and you have to punch the window to get out. You might be able to open the door, but if you can't open the door, you gotta go to step 2. This is for the seatbelt. You could click the seatbelt off, but if it doesn't go, once again, this is step 2. Option 2 rather. Now, you also pan legs. I could cut pan legs off if I have an injury that I have to bandage. You don't want to pull someone's pants down, unzip them, and pull them over an injury. You want to cut the pants or cut the shirt. I can actually reach inside and cut the shirt to treat a wound. Now, primarily that's a paramedic's job, but keep in mind, how long do we have to wait? How many minutes? 6. Can someone bleed to death in 6 minutes? Yes. Can someone be consumed by a car fire in 6 minutes? Yes. Can someone slip under the water in 6 minutes and drown? Yes. So this is the tool. When the paramedics and the firemen are not there yet, you gotta entertain yourself for 6 minutes. Or if you are the paramedic or are the fireman, here you go. The pouch has what they call the military molly. Yeah, I know, right. This can fit on rigging for combat troops, SWAT, anyone that has a chest rig, or it can fit on your regular belt like so. Word to the wise, it's a little easier to put it on if the wrench is inside it, but it is what it is. I know, right? Live show, what are you gonna do? Now this is my old tool here, and this hammer is pretty effective for breaking out the window, but the knife, is sharp and it works. Now, your seatbelt's on. You're gonna die. What happens to your hands when you're gonna die? Okay? Seatbelt. I gotta cut my seatbelt off. See this knife? Do I want to be doing this when my life is in danger? Does a pregnant woman? You got a 4-month pregnant woman driving a car, or a 9-month pregnant woman in the passenger seat. Do you want to do this with an exposed blade when your hands are going like this? No, you don't. This, right off. Right off. 2 pieces of paper together. Fold it over, make 4. Four layers. Fold it over, make 8. A little harder once you get to 8. Voila. Pen leg shirt right off. You might be the rescuer. I might climb into a window and I might have someone else who remembers the story of the first time I saved someone from getting killed. You know how much I was shaking? You know how much I was stuttering? If you're trying to help someone else with their clothes, do I want to be doing this next to their chest and heart when my hands are shaking? No. The blade is entirely encapsulated. Okay? Therefore, the blade will not cut me. Hopefully. But this hook blade, on top of that, it's very, very swift motion. Just pull real hard. I have a plastic bag here. Shaving cream. You never see. Whatever. Yeah, plastic bag's a little harder to get a grip on, but you get the idea. Okay, you got the idea with all this crap here, right? Cuts like butter. I got a piece of cardboard behind me. Went through it. See, look. This is a piece of furniture I got here. Cabinet I got to put together. Watch. Make sure you don't damage the cabinet though. Good practice when you do it with a person, right? See that? That'll make real fast work of a seatbelt. Walk right up on it, continuous shot, so you know I'm not fooling around with anything. See that? One hand. Put my finger in it, put my finger in the loop, bring it down. Voila. And I always carry it in my sheath so I don't have to worry about it being in the car when I need them outside the car. Thank you.